Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 Honda NC750X. This one has the dual clutch automatic transmission, fuel injected liquid cooled, ABS brakes, and automatic. Only 2,350 miles on this gorgeous 23 NC750. This one's got that storage area in front of the seat. You can put a full face helmet in there. Come on by, get the best commuter ever made for only $82.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.